Hello my friends and welcome back to Future Tech. In this video, we're exploring some amazing tools on Amazon that you definitely need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. The E-Tape 1752 WP106 digital tape measure is a game changer in precision and convenience. At first glance, its bold red color demands attention, but it's the seamless functionality that really steals the show. Whether you're working on a DIY home project or tackling a professional task, the accuracy of this digital tool ensures you never miss a measurement. Its durable polycarbonate body is built to withstand the elements, making it as tough as your work demands. But it's not just about resilience. The E-Tape comes packed with features that make life easier, like its memory functions, so you can focus on getting the job done without scribbling down numbers. The intuitive side button wheel helps you glide through settings effortlessly, while its US metric conversion means there's no need for manual calculations. It feels like a companion, always ready to help you work faster and smarter. This tape measure doesn't just measure, it becomes a part of your workflow, cutting through hassle like a hot knife through butter. The handheld Tesla coil gun is crafted through precision engineering, where intricate coils are wound meticulously to generate high-voltage arcs. The electronics trigger mode brings it to life, unleashing raw, crackling energy that mimics artificial lightning. Each unit undergoes careful assembly to ensure the controlled fury of electricity is harnessed safely, empowering DIY enthusiasts with a surge of electrifying creation. The CONQUECO portable espresso machine is a dream come true for any coffee lover who craves that perfect shot of espresso on the go. Whether you're camping under the stars or on a road trip, this 12V car coffee maker lets you enjoy your favorite brew in just 2.5 minutes. With its compact design, it's small enough to fit into your travel bag, yet powerful enough to brew up to 8 cups of rich, velvety espresso on a single charge. Imagine the warmth of a freshly brewed cup in your hand, surrounded by nature, or while on the open road, pure bliss in a moment of tranquility. The convenience is unmatched, and the quality is incompromised, giving you the comfort of a cafe experience, wherever you are. For those who refuse to settle for mediocre coffee while adventuring, CONQUECO is your reliable companion. The Husky Beer Cooler 2.0 is a game changer for beer lovers. Imagine the joy of sipping your favorite cold brew, whether it's in a can or bottle, knowing it will stay refreshingly cool for hours. Crafted from triple insulated marine-grade stainless steel, this cooler isn't just functional, it's sleek and durable. The 3-in-1 detachable opener adds convenience, and its ability to double as a tumbler makes it even more versatile. It's the perfect gift for those who cherish every moment with a chilled beer, elevating the experience with style and comfort. Beer time just got an upgrade. The Language Translator Pen is a remarkable tool for anyone navigating the rich and often complex world of languages. Imagine holding a small, sleek device that instantly breaks down language barriers, whether you're traveling abroad, studying a new language, or simply need an extra hand with business communication. With its OCR scanner, it captures and translates text in real time, while the text-to-speech feature brings words to life, making it more than just a translator, it's your personal language coach. Supporting an astonishing 112 languages, this AI-powered pen even helps those with dyslexia, making reading and learning a much smoother experience. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting overseas or diving into a new book in a foreign language, this translator pen turns the challenge of language learning into a seamless, almost magical experience. Perfect for travel, business, or education, it truly transforms the way we connect with the world. The Tough-Built Scraper Utility Knife, TBH4S501, is the ultimate 2-in-1 tool for anyone who takes pride in their craft. With a single press of your thumb, this versatile knife transforms into a scraper, instantly adapting to your needs. It's not just a tool. It's a seamless extension of your hands, designed for precision, control, and efficiency. Imagine the ease of switching from cutting tough materials to scraping stubborn surfaces in one smooth motion. It feels empowering, like you're in complete control of the job, no matter how challenging. The solid, pro-grade construction promises reliability, while the 5 included blades ensure you're always ready for the next task. Whether you're tackling a tough renovation or fine-tuning a delicate detail, the scraper utility knife gives you that feeling of confidence, making every task just a bit easier and more satisfying. It's the tool you'll reach for time and time again. The Works WX176L.8 20V PowerShare switch driver is a game-changer for those who crave efficiency in their projects. Imagine the satisfaction of not having to fumble around switching drill bits. This 2-in-1 cordless drill and driver does it all with a single twist. With just a press of a button, the rotating chuck gives you instant access to 2 bits, allowing you to drill and drive in one seamless motion. No more stripped screws, thanks to the automatic torque control. It's like having a protective hand guiding you through the process, ensuring you won't damage your work. And with the built-in LED light, even those dim, hard-to-reach spaces are no longer intimidating. All this comes in a lightweight, compact design that's perfect for long hours of work. This isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion that makes every DIY project feel effortlessly manageable. The super handy electric portable capstan winch is a powerhouse built for those who crave adventure and tough tasks. With its 48 volts 1296W brushless motor, this winch is ready to tackle up to 2,000 pounds of pulling force, making light work of rugged forestry, hunting, and off-road challenges. It's designed to brave harsh environments, from dense forests to snowy mountains, performing even in freezing -30°C temperatures. With a 100 feet low stretch rope and instant start button, it offers reliability and ease, bringing peace of mind when you need it most. Whether you're hauling gear or battling the elements, this winch is your trusty companion. Safe, user-friendly, and built to last, adventure doesn't wait, and neither should you. The Saker multifunction scribing tool is like a craftsman's trusty companion, compact yet bursting with versatility. Made from durable aluminum alloy, its anodized finish gives it a sleek, long-lasting look. You can feel its precision in your hands, as it adjusts smoothly to different shapes, allowing for both parallel lines and arcs with just a twist. Whether you're marking tiles or fine-tuning furniture, this tool locks in place for pinpoint accuracy every time. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's always ready when creativity strikes, making it perfect for woodworking dreams that demand both precision and adaptability. The VSDI SPLAY 14.5-inch 2K LCD monitor touch panel is a versatile, sleek, and dynamic display that offers a stunning 2560 by 720 resolution. Perfect for gaming, PC, or laptop use, its stretched bar design brings a fresh take on secondary screens. Whether for an immersive gaming experience or adding extra screen real estate for your work, this monitor breathes life into any setup. With mini HDMI and Type-C video inputs, it's designed for smooth compatibility. You'll love how effortlessly it enhances your workspace or entertainment zone, making multitasking or entertainment feel seamless, like a window to boundless creativity. The Home Magician 324 FT electronic digital tape measure is a cutting-edge tool that blends precision and ease in one compact design. With its sleek LCD display and a rechargeable battery, this smart rolling measuring tool turns every task into a seamless experience. Whether you're measuring flat surfaces, curved edges, diameters, or odd shapes, it handles them all with grace and accuracy. Imagine the thrill of effortlessly measuring anything from furniture to DIY projects, all with a tool that fits right in your hand. The Home Magician 324 is more than just a tape measure. It's a surprise waiting to happen, turning the most mundane measurements into a smooth and satisfying moment. perfect for anyone who loves convenience, innovation, and a dash of sophistication in their everyday tools. The Pica Dry Long Life Automatic Pencil 3030 is not just an ordinary pencil. It's a tool built to last and designed for those who demand precision in every line. Whether you're sketching out ideas, marking measurements, or working in rugged conditions, the Pica Dry stands by you. Its robust construction and refillable graphite lead mean it's always ready to deliver sharp, consistent marks, while the built-in sharpener ensures your lines are never dull. The comfort grip feels like an extension of your hand, giving you control and confidence in your work. What sets it apart is its versatility. It can write on almost any surface, even dusty, oily, or wet ones, making it an indispensable companion for carpenters, builders, or creators of any kind. You'll find yourself reaching for it, not just because it's reliable, but because it feels like a trusted partner in your hands. With the Pica Dry, every mark is a step towards something great. The Works 20 volts jaw saw cordless chainsaw is more than just a tool. It's peace of mind wrapped in power. Its fully protective guard keeps you safe while letting you cut directly on the ground, effortlessly tackling branches up to 4 inches thick. With the battery power shared across over 75 other tools, it's versatile, ready to go whenever you are. And at just 7.1 pounds, it's light enough for overhead work without straining your muscles. The auto tension and chain oiling systems ensure every cut is smooth, precise, and fast, making yard work a breeze instead of a chore. The DeWalt DXC25QT 25-quart roto-molded cooler is built to last through the toughest conditions, keeping your food and drinks refreshingly cold for days. Its durable roto-molded design shrugs off daily wear and tear, while the reinforced insulation locks in the cold like a fortress. Whether you're on a job site or an adventure, this cooler stands ready to preserve those moments of refreshment when you need them most. The Rhino Cart all-terrain mover is a game-changer for anyone tackling the toughest of moving jobs. With its 2,000 pounds load rating, this powerhouse lets you glide over uneven surfaces like thresholds, hard-packed dirt, or gravel with remarkable ease. Imagine the feeling of effortlessly moving that bulky fridge or heavy furniture piece, thanks to its 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels. Built tough from commercial-grade poly resin and specialized steel, it's designed to last, even in the most demanding environments. Its expandable frame, from 6 inches to 46 inches, offers versatility, letting you handle everything from small appliances to large pallets, and even the side can be completely separated for oversized items. Proudly made in the USA, Rhino Cart isn't just a dolly, it's your partner in conquering those seemingly impossible moving tasks. With the Rhino Cart, the struggle of heavy lifting becomes a distant memory. The Moldwork 2-in-1 aluminum pocket hole jig kit is a tool that resonates with any passionate woodworker. Its solid all-metal construction stands as a testament to durability, ensuring that it outlasts plastic alternatives. Whether you're building cabinets or crafting custom furniture, this jig kit brings precision to every joint. Its lightweight yet strong aluminum body, with exceptional corrosion resistance and quick heat dissipation, makes each use smooth and reliable. What truly sets it apart is its adjustable hole pitch and removable drill guides. With a quick twist, you can tailor the tool to narrow boards or wider planks with ease, feeling that satisfying click as the pieces snap together. The extensive set of drill bits, screws, and wood plugs makes it more than just a jig. It's your all-in-one solution for flawless joinery. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this kit isn't just a purchase, it's a promise of perfect craftsmanship for years to come. The 1500 FR octagonal knife cloth cutting machine is a true workhorse, designed to empower your cutting tasks with precision and reliability. Its powerful motor slices through fabric up to 1 inch thick with ease, making your workflow smoother and faster. The automatic sharpener ensures every cut is as clean as the last, so you're never held back by a dull blade. With safety features like the adjustable knife guard and the thin, lightweight base plate, it offers not just power, but comfort and peace of mind. This machine transforms fabric cutting into an effortless experience. The ENERTWIST cordless screwdriver is a tool built for those who crave power and precision in their hands. With its robust 8 volts motor and 10 Newton meters max torque, it tackles even the toughest of jobs effortlessly. Whether you're drilling into wood, plastic, or light metal, the 21+1 clutch ensures precise control, making every turn smooth and satisfying. The ergonomic dual-position handle feels like an extension of your arm, giving you full command in any situation, while the built-in LED light adds a touch of brilliance to your work, illuminating every detail. With an 82-piece accessory kit neatly packed in its portable case, it's a powerhouse ready for any challenge. Compact yet mighty, this tool is designed to make your DIY projects a breeze. Once you experience the freedom and convenience of this cordless wonder, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.